Reddit stock analysis next week and onward. Is Reddit RDDT stock a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Has gone up 6.81%. And now if I go to the daily 1 hour chart, we're going to see this is how my chart looks like. And previously I was very correct on the direction bias and everything. But unfortunately, I didn't get a trade, or a position, which is fine. This is going to be part of the game. You cannot evade, there's no way to just get rid of it. So there's no way to get rid of not taking trades, it's inevitable. So I'm just going to move this to the new highs that we have made. And honestly, right now, like, I'm going to just move to the new demand zone. And it's all the same. Okay, this was perfect, right? But I'm just obviously kind of late right now. Still would love to the price take out the highs here. So for more, I'm obviously keeping you updated. But for right now, right, we need to wait for the price that has already went. So if you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free, check the first link in the description. There is a free 100% free course of my strategy. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.